friends, welcome back. So today is near to weekend and we are preparing some evening snacks. So I'm going to prepare chicken nugget at home. So let's get started and let's see how you are going to make it at home.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where real life meets real vibes. I'm Charles, bringing you stories from the heart of London. From everyday adventures to epic events, family days out to hidden local gems. If you are living in the UK, or if you're a parent, a traveler, or just curious about life in the UK, you will feel right at home here. And so what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and come explore life in England.
Chicken nugget, you need to have breast piece. So here I've taken small cube size breast piece. So for chicken nugget, you need to have breast piece cut into cubes, and just make some salt, little paprika powder, little vinegar or lemon, whatever you have at home, you can use that, and black pepper powder. That's it. Nothing else is needed. Next, you need to have egg. Just break one egg and mix it well in a bowl. Keep it separated. Next, you need breadcrumbs. Just spread it in a plate and keep it. And another one, we need some flour, plain all-purpose flour, which you can just spread it in a plate and keep it. It's super easy to make at home chicken nugget, and I'm sure it's going to be super tasty as well. Your pan with some oil, make it quite hot, then only you put your chicken in. Now I have put it on and I'm making it hot. By the time I can prepare my chicken and make it ready to put it on the pan. In flour, I'll just sprinkle a bit of paprika powder so that the coating also has some taste, and I'll also sprinkle some salt so that it becomes a bit salty as well. And I'm going to mix it well with a spoon. This will give a mixed spicy flavor in your coating as well, and it will not taste very bland. Okay, so it is ready. Now I'm going to take my chicken. So as I have told you, I've mixed some paprika powder, salt and black pepper with some vinegar. So taking the piece first, dipping it in the egg. So taking the chicken, dipping it in the egg. So basically egg will act as a glue for the coating. Now I'm going to take and dip it in my flour. So you can see the coating has already come. Again, dip it back to the egg to get another coating, and now dip it well to get your nugget ready. So this is the nugget which I made it ready. I see my pan has become already hot, so I'll start pouring it directly to my pan. You see it is bubbling from the side. That means my oil is hot and ready to cook. So similarly, I'll take all my pieces. I'll glue with the egg first, take some flour, glue it again, take some breadcrumbs, add to the pan. Keep it aside, zoom it. So you're going to basically repeat the same process till the end. Just try to hold at one corner of the chicken so that it takes the glue. I just basically forgot to put egg first, and now I'm going to glue next with this breadcrumbs back to the pan. So this is how you're going to repeat the process. Just in case if you forgot to dip it in the glue, you don't have to worry. Like I again forgot to dip it in the egg first, so I just take the flour, dip it back in the egg, take the flour again, dip it back again, and then take some crumbs. Here you go, gone in the pan. So you see it is kind of bubbling. I did not touch it till it bubbled and cook one side so that the coating do not come out. And now I can see it has already made some coating. So I'll try to turn it slowly. You see it has changed its color, nice brown, crunchy. See the coating color has been changed. It's golden brown. So we need to wait till it becomes golden brown, all the sides. perfect. So now you see guys, it has become really golden and perfect to take it out. So now I'm going to take that out. So you see I have this, so I'm trying some KFC coating. I just put some cornflakes and I crushed it so that, and I'm going to follow the same process. I'll dip the glue it with egg, take flour, glue it again, and this time it's going to be the cornflakes. This again is going to go inside the chicken. It has again now turned into golden brown and ready to be taken out. So now you see my KFC chicken nugget is ready. It's kind of a breast piece but with a coating of KFC, totally KFC. We need to see how the people will like it or not. So I'm going to serve it with green sauce, which I prepared at home. That's a coriander garlic sauce. How do you like it, Mister?
Try it with mustard sauce.
Yeah, it's good.